Hello all my dear students, welcome to my channel Let's Learn and Grow. Dear students, today we are going to learn 1.4 from English textbooks of 9th class. The lesson, have you thought of the verb have? Dear student, basically this lesson is related to grammar and this is so important and short lesson. Dear student, in this lesson we are going to have main focus on the verb have. We are going to learn the multiple uses of the verb have. Means all my dear student, इस lesson में हमें have जो कि एक auxiliary verb या helping verb है उसके uses के बारे में बताया गया है. Means हमें इस lesson के through ये भी बताया गया है हम have का use as a helping verb और as a auxiliary verb तो करते ही है, but उसी के साथ ही साथ हम इसे as a main verb भी use कर सकते हैं. Dear student, before starting our today's lesson, you should learn the difference between has, have and had. So dear student, let us see the difference in short. See, has. Has is used for singular noun or pronoun. For example, he has, she has, it has, Reena has, Rahul has, etc. Means dear student, जो हैज़ होता है वो सिंगुलर नाउन या प्रोनाउन के लिए यूज होता ही है. बट रिमेंबर वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट हैज़ इज यूज्ड इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. मीन्स जो सब्जेक्ट या नाउन प्रोनाउन है वो सिंगुलर तो होंगे ही, बट जब हम हैज़ का यूज करेंगे वी विल यूज इट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. मीन्स हम इसका यूज प्रेजेंट टेंस के लिए करेंगे. नाउ सी हैव. Have is used for plural noun or pronoun. For example, I have, you have, we have, they have, etc. Dear student, now you will say I and you is not a plural. But dear student, for I and you also we have to use have. Means भले ही I और you ये जो pronouns है वो plural नहीं है, but it is exception for I and you. So you can use have for I and you also. Means I or you, these both are not a plural, but always with I and you we have to use have only. Now after that, see next, had. Had is the past tense of have, so it is used in past tense. For example, they had, we had, I had, you had, she had, Falak had, etc. Means students, if you focus on the above examples, you will understand that for past tense, for singular as well as for plural subject, we are using same form of have, that is had. Means student, जैसे हमने रीना इस singular subject के लिए present tense में has use किया है, but they इस plural subject के लिए हमने present tense में have use किया है, but past tense में for singular और plural we use only had. Means student, जैसे हम present tense में singular noun या pronoun के लिए has use करते हैं और उसी तरह present tense में ही हम plural subject या noun pronoun के लिए have use करते हैं. But when we are talking about the past tense, we use only had for both singular and plural both. Means दोनों के लिए हम एक ही यूज करते हैं, दैट इज हैड. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, सी ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ये जो हैज, हैव एंड हैड है ये परफेक्ट टेंस शो करते हैं. मीन्स हैज एंड हैव इज यूज फॉर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस एंड हैड इज यूज फॉर पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. मीन्स दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग विच वी हैव टू रिमेंबर. मीन्स हम हैव और हैज ये दोनों क्या इंडिकेट करेंगे, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, एंड जो हैड है वो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस को इंडिकेट करेगा. सो सी हियर, ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट, हैव, हैज एंड हैड आर यूज्ड फॉर 6 मल्टीपल यूजेस. नाउ सी विच आर दे. टू शो possession, to show ownership, to refer to an event, activities and experiences, to indicate relationship, to refer to eating and drinking, to refer to a medical and physical condition. Means in these cases we use have. So all my dear student, have is a very important verb. Means dear student, if you have heard anyone talking, speaking or delivering a speech or anything, when you talk for a long time, you will always hear the word have. Have is often used in speech. So have is a very versatile verb. It has many uses and it is used so many times that you cannot believe. Dear student, our speech is incomplete without this versatile verb. So let us start our today's topic, that is, have you ever thought of the verb have? So dear student, let us start from the first line. See here. How many times do you use the verb have in your conversation or writing? Try to keep a count of it for an hour or so. What do you find? Means, all my dear student, firstly, they asked us one question. वो कहते हैं कि आप आपके कॉन्वर्सेशन मीन्स किसी से बात करते टाइम या लिखते टाइम कितनी बार आप हैव का यूज़ करते हैं. देन दे गिव अस वन स्मॉल एक्टिविटी. मीन्स वो हमें एक सिंपल सी एक्टिविटी करने के लिए बोलते हैं. ट्राई टू कीप अ काउंट ऑफ इट फॉर एन आवर और सो. मीन्स यहाँ हमें कहा गया है कि जब कभी आप बातें करो तब फॉर एन आवर आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप आपके कॉन्वर्सेशन या राइटिंग में हैव का यूज़ कितने बार करते हो. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. यू शुड डू इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. मीन्स इस एक्टिविटी के थ्रू हमें ये बताने की कोशिश की गई है कि आवर कन्वर्सेशन इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट हैव. नाउ टर्न टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. सी हियर. Perhaps you have always thought of this versatile verb as an auxiliary verb or a helping verb as we call it. The helping verb have is used to form what we call perfect tenses. Now here यहाँ पे हमें कहा गया है कि हम इस versatile verb का as a auxiliary यूज़ कर सकते हैं और इसकी हेल्प से हम परफेक्ट टेंस भी बना सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे हैव केम, आई हैड क्लीन फॉरगॉटन ऑल अबाउट इट. मीन्स इस तरह से हम परफेक्ट टेंस का क्रिएशन कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ हैव. एंड टू मेक नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस मीन्स वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर फॉर्मिंग नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस ऑल्सो. सी द एग्जाम्पल, दे हैवंट केम, आई hadn't forgotten it. मीन्स हम इस तरह से had, have, has का यूज करके नेगेटिव सेंटेंस भी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. बट एज अ मेन वर्ब इट इज यूज टू मीन मच मोर देन यू थिंक. बट उन्होंने यहाँ पे कहा है कि जब आप मेन वर्ब की तरह इसका यूज करोगे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में वर्क करता है. मीन्स यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट इन डीप whenever you are using it is as a main verb. Here are few examples which use very frequently. Means dear student, there are certain examples which we can use frequently. In fact, dear student, we cannot imagine ourselves without this word have. Means हम regularly इसका ऐसे use करते हैं frequently कि हम इसके बिना सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं. Let us see the first use of have. In the following sentences, have indicate possession or ownership of something. Means, dear student, have का use possession या ownership show करने के लिए किया जाता है. Means कौन सी चीज़ किसकी है, उस चीज़ पर किसका अधिकार है, ये बताने के लिए have का use किया जाता है. जैसे we normally say that I have a big car, I have a pen, they have a big house, etc. Means all these are something which shows us possession. So it is a possession, means what a person has for himself or herself. So this is called as a possession. Let us see which examples are given here. First one, my friend has a pet cat. मेरे दोस्त के पास एक पालतू बिल्ली है. here means dear student, here friend is a singular noun, so we make use of the verb has. Has shows what the friend possess, that is a cat. means friend singular subject है, इसलिए यहाँ has का यूज किया गया है, वो भी present tense में. Because we already learned that whenever any noun or pronoun is here and that is singular, we always use it here has in present tense. After that, see the next example. I have a new pen. मेरे पास एक new pen है. Do you have a cycle? क्या आपके पास एक साइकिल है? Means dear student, here in this sentence, I have a new pen. We already learned that always use have with I, even it is a singular. But हमें present tense में I के साथ हमेशा have ही use करना है, has कभी भी use नहीं करना है, because we already learned that हम I के साथ have use करते हैं, ना कि has. Now see the next example. Do you have a cycle? क्या आपके पास एक साइकिल है? After that, a school has 6 computers. Now in this sentence, a school has 6 computers. Means dear student, have is used for showing what a person has brought or belongingness. A school has 6 computers. Here school is a singular noun, so we make use of the verb has. Has shows what the school owns, that is a 6 computers. Means यहाँ जो school है उसकी ownership को बताया गया है. After that, the municipality has 6 vans and 2 cars. Here again ownership is shown. So dear student, let us see few more examples, extra examples which indicates possession and ownership. Means हम कुछ extra examples देखेंगे जो कि possession and ownership को show करते हैं. See here. First one, see, my building has 2 lifts. Now what is the first sentence? My building has 2 lifts. Here building is a singular noun, so we make use of the verb has. Has shows what the building owns, that is 2 lifts. Let us see next example. I have a smart phone. After that, I have a beautiful dress. Here it's my possession, beautiful dress. That's why have is used. After that, my neighbor has 2 dogs. Next, a school library has many books. In this 5th sentence, dear student, has is used for showing ownership. Means इस तरह हम possession and ownership को दिखाने के लिए have, has and had का use कर सकते हैं. These all are the examples of possession and ownership. So I hope it's clear to you, dear student. Now let us turn to next. Means we will see the next use of have. See here. We also use the have to refer to events, activities and experiences. Means whatever event or activities that we do or we take part or whatever we had done, we take experiences. These all things we can write by using have, has or had. Means dear student, जो भी events होते हैं या activities हम जिसमें participate करते हैं, ये जो भी experiences हम face करते हैं, उन सबको भी have से indicate किया जाता है. For example, see the first example. I am going to have a bath in the river. Means मैं नदी में नहाने जा रहा हूँ. So dear student, this is an activity. You are going to take a bath, that is the activity. So we used here have to indicate this. Means we make use of a verb have here because it shows the experience of the person. Means that person is going to bath, take a bath in river, so that is the experience of a person which we indicated with the help of have. After that, see the next. Let us have a party for your birthday. Let us have a party for your birthday. हम आपके जन्मदिन के लिए पार्टी चाहते हैं. The class has, wait a second, just The class has a short break at 11 a.m. Now here we will see the next example. Do you have a good time at the wedding? Means क्या शादी में आपका समय अच्छा रहा? Dear student, here you have attended a event. तो यहाँ पूछा गया है, so did you have a good time in that or not? Means it is an event and it is indicated by using have. जो wedding थी that is a event और उसको शो करने के लिए have का यूज किया गया है. Now the next sentence example, I have a meeting this evening. आज शाम को मेरी मीटिंग है. Means in all the above sentences have is used to indicate event, activities and experiences. So all my dear students, let us see few more examples which indicates event, activities and experiences. See, these are the extra examples. First one, we had a wonderful time at the picnic. Here, picnic is an event. So, to indicate that we used verb had. Had is the past tense of the verb have. Means मैंने already आपको बताया dear student, जब भी हम past tense में किसी चीज के लिए बात करते हैं we use had. So let us see the next example. They have a fun fair in their building. Here fun fair is again an activity or event. So we indicated it with the help of have. After that, children had drawing exam yesterday. Here drawing exam is an activity, so it is indicated with the help of had. After that, next example, we have a kitty party tonight. We have a kitty party tonight. And last, I have an important appointment today. Means all my dear student, in above examples, all these activities come in event and activities or experiences which a person faces. So हम इन सब को भी has, have या फिर had का यूज करके शो कर सकते हैं. Dear student, let us see the next use of have. In some cases, have is used to indicate relationships. Means dear student, जब हम एक दूसरे से रिश्ते इंडिकेट करते हैं तब भी have का यूज किया जाता है. Let us clear it with the help of examples. I have two sisters. I have two sisters means मेरी दो बहनें हैं. Here I, this pronoun is used. So for this I we make use of the verb have. Have shows the relation between the two things. After that, the next example, the couple do not have children. The couple do not have children means here the relation between couple and children shown with the help of have. After that, I don't have a brother means dear student, in this way हम have का use करके relationships को भी indicate कर सकते हैं. Let us see few more examples of have which indicate the relationship. We will see some extra examples. Wait a second. See first one. I have a son. Dear student, in the above sentence, it is shows relation between I and son. यहाँ I pronoun है तो हम I के लिए हमेशा क्या यूज करते हैं? Have. Dear student, this sentence also indicate possession. Means यहाँ पे possession भी show होता है but this is also relationship. So we used have. Now see the next example. Do you have any sibling? क्या आपको कोई भाई बहन है? I have an aunt who is a singer. After that, she has a beautiful child. Next, my favorite example, I have lovely students. Now dear student, all the above sentences are showing relationship. Means इस तरह से हम relationship को दिखाने के लिए भी have, has या फिर had का use कर सकते हैं. Let us see what is the next use of have. See, we also use have to refer to eating or drinking. we also use have to refer to eating or drinking. Means dear student, हम eating and drinking को show करने के लिए भी have का use करते हैं. Let us check with examples. See first one. We have breakfast at 8 a.m. Means here we is a plural pronoun, so we make use of the verb have. Here have indicate that the person is going to eat. Means for eating also we indicate have. After that, next, have a slice of cake. Next, what would you like to have? Tea or coffee? Means आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे? Tea या coffee? After that, can I have a glass of water please? क्या मुझे एक ग्लास पानी मिल सकता है? Means dear student, in this way have is used for drinking and eating. Means इन सारे एग्जाम्पल्स से हमें समझ आता है कि हम खाने की एक्टिविटीज या पीने की एक्टिविटीज को हैव का यूज करके शो कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सी फ्यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ हैव विच इंडिकेट्स ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग. मीन्स हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं. सी हियर, सी द फर्स्ट वन. सी, हैव सम जूस इफ यू आर थर्स्टी. This is the first example which is related to drinking, and which for this drinking we used here have. After that, you can have these chocolates. After that, next, may I have that last piece of cake? Means all my dear student, in all the above sentences have is used for eating or drinking. Means in this way we can make a use of have for eating and drinking also. Now see the next use of have. Have is also used to refer to medical physical condition. Have is also used to refer a medical or physical condition. Means dear student, a medical condition refers maybe you are sick with some disease, or you are having a physical condition, maybe you are very good and healthy, fit and fine, or sick, whatever it indicates. Means dear student, have का यूज करके हम किसी पर्सन की फिजिकल या मेडिकल कंडीशन को भी बता सकते हैं. Let us clear with the help of examples. See the example. I have a headache. Means मुझे सर दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे सर दर्द है. Here I pronoun is used, so we make use of a verb have. Have is showing medical condition of a person. Means that person has headache. यहाँ पे I है, that's why we used have here, which indicates the medical condition of that person, that he has headache. उस person को सर दर्द है, ऐसे यहाँ पे बोला गया है. Now he has a cold. He has a cold. Means उसे बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी हो गई है. Grandfather had a heart attack. Grandfather had a heart attack. Now all the above sentences have is used to indicate medical or physical condition. तो हम have का यूज करके किसी की मेडिकल कंडीशन या फिजिकल कंडीशन को भी बता सकते हैं. So dear student, we will see few extra examples which indicates medical or physical condition. Let us see. See first one. My friend had fever last night. Means मेरे फ्रेंड को कल रात बुखार था. My mother has toothache. I have a broken nail which is painful. My mother has good immunity power. These all examples are here which indicates the medical or physical condition of a person. Last example, see. Salman Khan has fit body. In all the above sentences, we can use have to show medical or physical condition. Means in this way, dear student, हम किसी की मेडिकल या फिजिकल कंडीशन को भी बता सकते हैं. मीन्स इफ एनीवन हैज़ एनी डिसीज और एनीवन, अगर हम किसी के फिजिकल जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसे अगर हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं तो तब भी हम हैव, हैज़, हैड का यूज करके हम उसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सी व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट. सी, in sentences where have is used as a main verb, it is always used in simple present or past. The present continuous form is not used in such cases. Means, dear student, one more important thing is here to learn about the verb have. Have is used as a main verb in simple present or past. Means, student, जिन सेंटेंसेस में have एज अ मेन वर्ब यूज किया जाता है तब इसका यूज हमेशा सिंपल प्रेजेंट या पास्ट टेंस में ही किया जाता है. मीन्स वी नेवर यूज इट इन आईएनजी फॉर्म. मीन्स हम एज अ मेन वर्ब जब हैव का यूज करते हैं तब हमें उसे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में यूज नहीं कर सकते. मीन्स डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे हमें सिंपल वे में बताया गया है जब भी हम हैव एज अ मेन वर्ब यूज करते हैं तब हम उसे सिंपल प्रेजेंट या सिंपल पास्ट में तो यूज कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट यूज इट इन कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म. मीन जो आईएनजी वाले फॉर्म होते हैं उसमें एज अ मेन वर्ब हैव का यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. सी फर्स्ट वन. आई एम हैविंग अ बाइसिकल. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. वी डोंट वांट टू राइट इन दिस वे. मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट डायरेक्टली like I have a bicycle. Means instead of saying that I am having a bicycle, we should say that I have a bicycle. Means हमें ऐसे कहना होगा कि I have a bicycle. Again, see the next. He is having a cold. This is also wrong. Means यहाँ पे हम he is having a cold नहीं कह सकते, तो हमें यहाँ पे कहना होगा he has cold. He has a cold. After that, the next sentence, I am having a lot of homework. This is also wrong. Instead of this sentence, what we have to say here? I have a lot of homework. This is correct. Means in this way, यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया है कि जब कभी भी हम have का as a main verb use कर रहे हैं तो हमें उसे simple present में या simple past में use कर सकते हैं, but we cannot use it in continuous form. Means हम ing form में उसका use नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now see what is next. See, similarly, it is not used in the negative form as a main verb. Now, यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया है जब हम have का यूज एज अ मेन वर्ब करते हैं तब हम उसे निगेटिव फॉर्म में नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं. See, for example, he hasn't a car. This is wrong. He hasn't a car. This sentence is wrong. Second one, I haven't a cold. This is also wrong. We don't want to say in this way. तो हमें ये ऐसे नहीं कहना है, बल्कि see here, to indicate the negative, we use the auxiliary do along with the main verb have. Means हमें क्या करना होता है, जब भी हमें to indicate negative, we use the auxiliary do along with the main verb have. Means dear student, जब कभी हमें have एज अ मेन वर्ब नेगेटिव फॉर्म में यूज करना है तब हमें डू, डज, डिड का यूज करके हैव का नेगेटिव फॉर्म बनाना होता है. जैसे हम he doesn't have a cold. मीन्स यहाँ पे हम he hasn't a car ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या बोलना होगा, he doesn't have a car. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे does, do, does, did जो होते हैं उनका पहले have के पहले यूज करना होगा, उनका निगेटिव फॉर्म बनाकर फिर हम have को यूज कर सकते हैं. So after that, see the next. I haven't a cold. This is wrong. The right form is I don't have a cold. Means यहाँ पे हमने do का यूज किया है, do निगेटिव फॉर्म को क्रिएट किया है, देन उसके बाद हमने have को यूज किया है. So dear student, we should यूज इट इन वेरी मीन्स हमें बहुत ध्यान देकर यहाँ पे हैव का यूज करना होता है. वी शुड यूज इट केयरफुली. इट इन वी ऑलवेज यूज इट इन आवर कन्वर्सेशन, बट वी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट इट एंड वी शुड यूज इट इन केयरफुली वे. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, हैव फन एक्सप्लोरिंग द यूज ऑफ हैव. मीन्स उन्होंने कहा है कि ऐसे ही जो मज़ेदार हैव के यूजेस है आप उसको ढूंढते रहिए. तो सो ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट, हैव इज वेरी वर्सेटाइल वर्ब एंड वी कैन यूज इट इन मेनी वेज. सो ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इन दिस वे टुडे वी लर्न द डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ द वर्ब हैव. तो हमने आज जो हैव के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट यूजेस है उसको देखा है. All my dear student, if you feel the video is helpful for you, then please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Dear student, if you have any query or suggestion, please put it in comment section. So all my dear student, I'll meet you soon with new topic in next video. तब तक के लिए keep learning and always remember, do the best and be the best. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.